Okay, so we've got one example left, number 7B. And remember how we did it. We didn't really show a lot of work. Kind of did everything on the graph, okay? Which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Like this would be a 3-mark question. You get 1 mark for each correct transformation, okay? So we're looking at this is the original. This is the new. What do you see? Anything jump out at you? Vertical flip. It does vertically flip. So that means that A is negative. So we've got that so far. Doesn't flip horizontally. Yeah. So is it stretching like this or like this? Horizontal. So that means it's B. Well, let's figure out how much of a stretch by finding the total width of each figure. So how far is it from the furthest left to the furthest right in the original? 6. How far is it from the furthest left and the furthest right in the new one? 3. So it went from 6 to 3. And remember, stretches are what we multiply. So what do I multiply to get from 6 to 3? 1/2. So if the stretch is 1/2, when I plug it in for B, it becomes 2. Okay, I'm good so far. I've taken care of 4 of the transformations. There was a vertical flip, there's no horizontal flip. There was a horizontal stretch, there was no vertical stretch. So the only thing I need to figure out now, did it shift at all? And this is where you use a point on the graph from the original to the new. So I'm going to use this one again. We know what we've done to it. We've flipped it and we've multiplied it by 1/2, haven't we? So if I flip it, I'm down, it's 4 up, I'm down 4 here. That's if I flip. If I stretch, remember the horizontal stretch is 1/2. It goes from 4 to 2. So here's the horizontal stretch. So this was the flip. This was the horizontal stretch. So I'm here. But the image point on the new one is there. It's up here. So what does that mean? It means I must have had to move it up. Move it up how much? 1, 2, 3. And vertical shift is what letter? K. So K is 3. So therefore, to put your equation together, I'm going to have number for A, B, K, but not for H. So Y is going to equal negative bracket because I have a B. B is 2, parentheses, X, but there's no H. So you don't really actually need the brackets and parentheses there. It's fine if they're in there. And then at the end, it goes up 3. So if you just had parentheses and 2x, that's still fine. Okay.